on to our next video. We're playing with our new dolls. Hi, this is Grace and Hannah.
This is Azella.
Yeah, and I hope you give you guys a big thumbs up and lots of subscribers.
And let's get into it.
Now let's get into it.
I was going to see what's in there. Let's see what's in this bag. I don't know what's in this bag.
Me either. The person that's videoing this did that. What? A blanket?
I know, but if we did this, would you pop their pencil? If we saw a pencil, it's a pencil for the
What
same
the?
person does.
A blanket? This is definitely not what I think I was gonna be in there. The doll's phone.
Hey, no, we're going to play. Hey, what's your name? Grace. Hey, Gracie. Hi, Zella. Hi, Zella. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just going into my nice new closet.
Oh, wow. Look at the dolls here. I know.
I love this doll. Ooh.
I know. I like this doll too. It matches my hair.
I'm just gonna brush my hair now.
And let's check in our bags.
Yeah.
Oh, they're notebooks.
Is there a crayon in there? Because I have no pencil.
I have a pencil here.
No crayon.
And graphic novel.
Okay, I'll get you one brand. Okay, look for one quick. Because, hi guys.
And Brianna always says this when she's good when we're doing videos.
And I did it again.
This is my drink.
Okay, where's, she has to do. Can I have that?
Where's Grace?
She's my dolls are here. We're just doing before we start.
Grace can do cartwheels.
To start we do our. We'll just sort out the bags and then we're playing
Can I have that piece?
What?
Can I have that crayon?
We went and just playing and then
We're just having fun.
and I got scissors from her dolls and
Yeah. I came over today.
I know. And you took my dolls for.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna take this wee dog because she doesn't have a dog. She's a wee puppy.
And here's her phone.
The puppy always hangs out on. No, she has a phone.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay. And look where her puppy always hangs out up there. And
Right, show us what your dolls is going to do now.
my doll's gonna have a wee drink of her just.
My doll's going right. Oops.
My doll's just gonna have fun and remove in her closet.
And we're going
She just
to
wants to clean. I'll just clean up for her because she's very busy.
and then we're doing the school one and this is going to be the school one and the watch and this friend the school.
And we're gonna have so much fun in this video.
I can do that so easy.
Look at that.
Right. What are you going to say before you go?
Bye guys.
Yeah, but it's great. They are too.
Channel.
And give us a big like.
Yeah, but we're not going yet.
Hey!
Yeah, but let's keep playing.
Hey! I think you should jump on your face and I'm really, really sick.
You stop making fun of my friend.
You make me so fun. I'm gonna take your mojo.
Hey, that's mine.
No, it's mine now.
I'm gonna tell the principal.
Yeah, but no principal around here. You're principals, Claire.
Attention's the principal. Principal, a girl took my pillow and my friend's phone. Where's she? White hair and white pillow.
You got me so wrong.
You know that's
It's mine.
now. I'm going back to my closet.
Here you go. And I'm taking this. No. And here you go. Hey, what's happening? Now let's put everything in our bag to go to school.
Okay, I need my novel from school. I need my notebook for school because I'm always a working hard girl.
But I think you're working and working and working.
I don't work that much, but okay, guys, we're having fun, but we don't know why the teacher always be mean.
But we played this today. It's this one. She was handing them being a nice one. Nice to meet you. And she's a witch, what's her name, Brian?
Witchy baby.
Witchy baby. She's very bad. I know, she'd be so cheeky, and she's a witch, and Morgan can chase the teacher, and then when she comes back from school, well, she's gonna be so mean, okay?
Okay. I'm here, teacher.
And hello, class.
My name is Grace. And
My name is Azella. I don't care.
I'm sitting back here.
We're sitting back here.
Yeah, I put my purse.
I'm just gonna fall asleep. And don't go to sleep in this class.
We never fall asleep. I had lots of sleep last night.
But wake up. And that's sleeping and this is fun. We're singing all the dreams from And then we have a bit of blanket over here.
Fine, wake up.
No, and class, no sleeping. You're all going to the principal's office. Why? We had to go. Because you're all rude. We're not. Thanks. It's cold time. Oh, that's a mean teacher.
Guys, home time.
Bye. Bye.